talking about? Who else want it? You want it?
Nope.
Nope.
This nigga said, who's the OJ?
Max B don't fuck with your grandmother no more because she ain't visit his ass.
Your grandmother named Percival Davis III. Fuck you talking about? Your grandmother name on Twitter is D-Lolo from the Deep Shake.
Your middle name is Oswald like shit.
D-Lolo from the Coos Bush A's.
It's only 7.
Your grandmother played the acoustic guitar for motherfucking lipstick and unfiltered
Your grandmother
cigarettes.
saying back up a lady and raised like shit, boy.
But your motherfucking grandmother, their oldest brother, ad-lib, and produced is Doc and Heather's hat. What you talking about?
Your grandmother choreographed for the fucking 4 tops like shit, boy.
But your grandmother do be doing motherfucking flash mobs at motherfucking Morgan Boulevard Station during the peak hours. Fuck you talking about?
And nobody goes to Morgan Boulevard.
That's my point. Damn, that's a joke. Your motherfucking grandmother rolled motherfucking tobacco. Fuck you talking about?
Your grandmother crip on
They nigga say your
like
grandma rolled tobacco.
Your motherfucking grandmother be doing